Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode. If you're new around here, my name is Matthias and I'll be your bus driver for today. And in this episode, I thought we could go through the bus washer together. Last time I made a video, it was unfortunately damaged, but now they repaired it, so let's go! And the doors, they open up by themselves. Simsalabim. It's very sunny and beautiful here in south of Sweden today. Just gonna run the wipers. My front windshield is really dirty. And we just drive in here. And to my left we have signal, so it's green. So I'm just gonna pull closer to the washing blades or whatever you call them. And now it says stop. I'm just gonna turn off the wiper so we don't crack them. And here we go. Yeah. And now it's a red signal, but now it turns green. So we just drive, and now we stop. And we keep driving, and the slower you drive, the cleaner the bus gets. So, and it's very salty and dirty outside, and we want to have a really clean bus. Now I can use the wipers just to get the water away so we can see. And it's red now, so it's gonna clean the back side of the bus, so we stop because we have a red light in my left mirror. I really love this bus washer we have here at this depot. It's so simple to use, it's very easy, and it really gets the job done. It's still red, and now it's green, and we are clean in the back. It's very tight here, but we managed. So the outside is clean, but you know, they say that the inside is the most important, that counts. So we're gonna clean the inside as well. Let's go. And as you can see, since this is a public transportation, it's used by the public, it's gonna get dirty. And a bad habit they have here in the south part of Sweden is they use a lot of salt. Where I used to live, in the north part of Sweden, we use sand, but down here they use a lot of salt, and you can see all this gray dirt, all the spots. But that doesn't stop me from cleaning the inside, because now we have access to water. Really dirty. You know what? It's time to clean this baby. She's clean on the outside. We're gonna make her pretty on the inside. Let's go. So the bus is cleaned on the outside, but what's most important is that the bus is cleaned on the inside, because our customers are paying expensive money to travel with us. So they deserve a fully cleaned bus. So the first thing we do is we brush the floor so we can pick up all the sand and dirt, etc. And then we mop the floor so we get rid of all the gray stains and dirt. So no time to sit here, it's time to work my ass off. We need our two best friends, the brush and the mop. So let's go. So we have brushed the floor, and I can tell you one thing. Cleaning a bus is a really good exercise, especially for fat bastards like myself. So next step, the mop. Now look at this beautiful baby. She is super clean on the inside. It just looks so clean and fresh, and it's so ready for new passengers. I'm super excited. Super cleaned. I mean, look at the floor. Oh, you thought we were done? Oh, hell no. We're gonna clean all these windows. They are filthy as... So now we've cleaned the bus on the outside, but also on the inside, and it feels so amazing to know that we're driving in a really clean bus. I know that my passengers will appreciate this, and me as a driver, I truly appreciate this, because I try to treat the buses as if they were my own buses, as if I put down the money myself and I own them, because if I know that if I take care of the buses, the bus is gonna take care of me. So, final words. We have left the city and we are in LiQWYD. We have a clean bus, 100% fuel in the tank. We're waiting for more passengers because we're going to Skruv. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who are watching, commenting, liking, all that good stuff. When I started this channel, I was like, whoever wants to watch my videos and why? I'm just a bus driver from south of Sweden. But it's so fun to bring you on my journey and share my experiences with you. Like how a typical day looks like. You know, everything from driving the bus, when I share with the POV videos, to, you know, cleaning the bus, like a typical normal day. So my final words is take care of each other out there. Help your passengers. Take care of your bus as if you own the bus yourself. You can always learn something new every day, and I'm so thankful that I have the opportunity to learn something new every day. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm just so happy about it. So, thank you for watching and have a good day.